Okay, so a very warm welcome to all of you to our second day of online Vraja Mandal Parikrama 2020. So जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं हम लोग ये ऑनलाइन परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं वृंदावन की एंड आज हमारा दूसरा दिवस है। सो आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है ज्वाइन करने के लिए। Some people are still joining, so I'm just admitting them. Okay, so we'll start with the Kirtan by the time all others can join. So आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत है आज हमारे दूसरे दिवस में जो हम ऑनलाइन ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं। So welcome to all devotees. We'll just sing our bhajan to start with. First 5 minutes we'll sing bhajan and then we will have a Vrajadham Leela for another 40-45 minutes or so, and then we will have our Damodar Ashtakam. So आप सभी से निवेदन है कि आप अपना दीप रेडी रखिए जो भगवान को हम दिखाएंगे। मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ही सुंदर यशोदा दामोदर के विग्रह हैं, तो उनको हम लोग दीप दिखाएंगे। सो आप अपने दीप रेडी करके रख सकते हैं। दीप रेडी करना बहुत ही आसान है, आपको जस्ट एक लैंप लेना है और उसमें बाती रखनी है और घी का दिया जल लगाना है। तो घी का दिया आप लेके रेडी रखिए। यू कैन ऑफर द लैंप टू द लॉर्ड जब हम लोग दामोदर अष्टकम एंड में गाएंगे। ठीक है, सो आप लोग सब अपना दीप रेडी रख सकते हैं। आपके पास 45 मिनट्स हैं दीप रेडी करने के लिए, सो ये आप कर सकते हैं। सो अभी आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दिया टू रिपीट the song with us, and all the rest can repeat at your places but be on mute so that it is not clashing with the sound. Okay, lyrics आपके screen पे दिख रहे हैं। We will sing all the Vrindavan glories and you can all repeat also at your places. वृंदावन रम्य स्थान दिव्य चिंतामणि धाम रतन मंदिर मनोहर। Yeah, you can repeat.
वृंदावन रम्यस्थान दिव्याचिंतामणि धाम रत्न मंदिर मनोहर।
अव्रत कालिंदी रे रजहंसा किरीटारे काहे शोभे कानक कमान।
अव्रत कालिंदी निहिरे राजा हंस काली करे। सॉरी, तेने शोभी कनक कमला।
तार मध्ये हेमा पीठ हस्त डाले बेसी डाले प्रधान नारी।
तारे मध्ये हेमा पीठ अष्टबले बिष्ट अष्टबले प्रधान। नहीं आ रहा तो भी अब गए।
Okay, I'll repeat.
Yes.
तार मध्ये हेमा पीठ अष्टडाले बेशीतीठ अष्टडाले प्रधानारीता। तार मध्ये रत्नस्थाने संगे सुंदरियारीता। तार मध्ये रत्नस्थाने वासिया छे दुई जाने श्याम संगे सुंदरी राधिका।
तार मध्ये रत्नस्थाने वासिया जाने श्याम संगे सुंदरी राधिका।
रूप लावण्य राशि आमिया परिचे खासी हास्य परिहास्य संभाषणे।
रसिकमिया परिचय
हसी हसया
हस्या परिहास
संभाषणे
नरोत्तम दास कोय नित्य लीला सुख मोय सुदई सुरक मोरा माने
नरोत्तम दास कोई नित्य
नित्य
लीला सुख मोई सदा
ही
सुख मोर माने
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
श्री वृंदावन धाम की
जय।
प्रभु जी बहुत सुंदर है, ये बहुत सुंदर है।
अगर हम इसका ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ेंगे तो और भी सुंदर है। आई जस्ट रीड द ट्रांसलेशन क्विकली फॉर योर डिवोटीज प्लेजर। सो पहला जो वर्स है उसका ये है, ब्यूटीफुल वृंदावन इज फिल्ड विद चिंतामणि जेम्स एंड मेनी ज्वेल पैलेसेस एंड टेम्पल्स। वहाँ पे बहुत सारे टेम्पल्स हैं, बहुत सारे जेम्स हैं, बहुत सारे ज्वेल पैलेसेस हैं। Many regal swans play in the water of the Yamuna and in those water splendid golden lotus flower grows। तो ऐसा जो यमुना का पानी है, शांत धीर पानी, उसमें एक गोल्डन लोटस खिला हुआ है। दूसरा स्टैंजा कहता है, इन द मिडल ऑफ दैट लोटस गोल्डन प्लेस सराउंडेड बाय 8 पेटल्स। तो वो जो गोल्डन लोटस है उसकी 8 पंखुड़ी है आठों तरफ से। आप इमेजिन कीजिए गोल्डन लोटस है और उसमें 8 पंखुड़ी है। ऑन दीज 8 पेटल्स 8 प्रिंसिपल गोपीज रिसाइड। 8 जो अलग अलग पेटल्स है, जो आप कमल का फूल देखा है ना अपने, उसमें अलग अलग पेटल्स होते हैं और बीच में वो ऐसे सेंटर में एक होल रहता है। तो 8 अलग अलग पेटल्स पे एक एक गोपी है, 8 प्रिंसिपल गोपीज। एंड इन द सेंटर लॉर्ड श्याम सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल राधा रानी सिट ऑन द ज्वेल थ्रोन। तो जो कमल का मुख्य बीच में जो वॉल होता है उसमें श्याम सुंदर भगवान श्री श्री राधा श्याम सुंदर और श्रीमती राधा रानी वहां पे बैठे हुए हैं। दिस इज व्हाट इट सेज। एंड देन द थर्ड सेज, the great beauty of the divine couple and their charming joking and laughter continually showers nectar everywhere। तो श्याम सुंदर और राधा रानी क्या कर रहे हैं, वो आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं, आपस में जोकिंगली बातें कर रहे हैं, आपस में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। डिवाइन कपल है, सो हंस रहे हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं। और नरोत्तम दास says, I pray that these beautiful eternal transcendental pastimes of the divine couple may be always manifest in my heart। तो नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर ने ये बहुत ही सुंदर भजन लिखा है और वो कह रहे हैं कि वो जो पास टाइम है राधा और कृष्ण का, वो हमेशा मेरे हृदय में जागृत होता रहे, हमेशा मेरे हृदय में मैनिफेस्ट होता रहे, है ना। तो इसी भाव से हमें राधा और कृष्णा को देखना चाहिए। जैसे उनकी जो लीला अक्सर चलती रहती है, तो वही हमें हमेशा निरंतर हमारे याद में बनी रहे वो लीला। इसीलिए हमें ये भजन गाना चाहिए और नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर ने बहुत ही सुंदर भजन गाया है। तो इससे हमें ये प्रेरणा मिलती है कि हमें हमेशा भगवान के जो लीला है उन्हें याद करते रहना चाहिए। तो इसीलिए हम लोग इसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए हमारी यात्रा को आगे बढ़ाते हैं, ताकि हम लोग भगवान की जो लीला है, भगवान की जो अद्भुत लीलाएं हैं, वृंदावन में भगवान ने बहुत सारी अनेकों अनेक लीलाएं की हैं, तो वो हमें याद कर सके, हम लोग अपना रिमेम्बरेंस बढ़ा सके। सो जो कल हमने कुछ बातें डिस्कस की थी, इंट्रोडक्शन डिस्कस किया था वृंदावन धाम के बारे में, तो आज हमारा दूसरा दिवस है, हम इसी को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। तो इंट्रोडक्शन में वापस मैं नहीं जाऊंगा, बट ये जो आप स्लाइड्स में देख सकते हैं, जिन्होंने कल मिस किया था, तो जस्ट वो लोग रीड कर सकते हैं इंट्रोडक्शन के बारे में। तो 12 मुख्य वन है जो वृंदावन में है। हम लोग काफी सारी जगहों पे जाएंगे इस हमारी 30 दिवसीय यात्रा में। So we will go to most of the places in our this 30 days yatra. So mostly we will cover everything. And we saw that ब्रह्मा जी भी भगवान के बारे में क्या कहते हैं, ये भी हमने देखा। धाम के बारे में क्या कहते हैं कि वो चिंतामणि धाम है। वृंदावन धाम कोई साधारण धाम नहीं है, ऐसे कोई जगह नहीं है जैसे पूना बॉम्बे हो गया। That is not it is not like that. That Brahma ji describes it as Chintamani Dham, and every tree is a Kalpa Vriksha tree, right? So this dham belongs to the Lord Krishna. This is what I pray to this Lord Krishna. And the last line says the holy dham is non different than Krishna himself. तो जैसे हम भगवान को प्राथमिकता देते हैं, भगवान को हम रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं, वैसे ही we should be respectful to the dham also, right? So we should be respectful to the dham because there is no difference between Vrindavan dham and Krishna himself, right? So there's another beautiful verse which we saw by Brahmaji from Brahma Samhita. And then we saw that Lord, when he comes to the earth, he descends his planet also, he descends his abode also. Like he, before coming, वो अपना घर बना लेते हैं. So before Lord comes, he makes sure that the home is there. So Lord's home is Vrindavan, Goloka. So Goloka becomes Gokula, which is also known as Vrindavan, which is together called as Vrajamandala, जिनकी हम परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं. So that Vrajamandala is spread across 84 coasts, right, or 168 miles. And we saw two reasons also कि भगवान ने क्यों अपना धाम भेजा है धरती पर, ताकि हम जैसे जो पतित जीव हैं, they can go to the dham and they can visit and take benefit. And all fallen souls can also understand that there is one more eternally world available for us to visit. Apart from this Bhauma Vrindavan, apart from this earthly planet, there is one more planet where Krishna resides with his all devotees and with all devotees and gopis and gopas, right? So we discussed something about when Lord came 5,000 years back, he came and how Vrajanap installed more than 16 deities of Krishna. Then sudden decline of Bhagavad Dharma happened, and then finally Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and he established the Bhagavad Dharma again, as Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also. And he instructed Rupa and Sanatana to discover places in Vrindavan, which Srila Prabhupada made available to the whole world, including us. So with the mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we are able to explore Vrindavan these days. हमने कुछ offenses भी देखे. We saw offenses towards the dham that we should avoid, like dham को imaginary समझना, just consider dham as one place, just consider the people as ordinary people who belongs to dham, to blaspheme the scriptures, to blaspheme the people. So these are all offense we should avoid. Why offense we should avoid? Because if we are doing the dham yatra, dham parikrama, then we are getting some benefits, right? So if we are doing offenses, all those benefits are lost. So we should avoid these offenses. Yeah. Okay, then we saw the spiritual benefits of performing parikrama also. There are many Puranas, many Shastras who are glorifying the performing of parikrama in Vrindavan, right? So if you perform just for one day, if you go, your all sins are eradicated in 1 second. This is what Shastras are describing. Even Adivara Purana says by bathing at any place in Vrindavan, all his sins are vanished. So there, like we saw many Shastric references जो कि ये बताते हैं that when we go to Vrindavan, when we do the parikrama, when we do the dham yatra, then we get so much spiritual benefits that we cannot even imagine. And going to Vrindavan dham is equal to going to all other tirthas. तो बाकी सब तीर्थ सारे एक तरफ, अगर आप वृंदावन जाते हो तो you get the benefit of all the tirthas. This is what Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu also says, right? That so we saw all those things. So we saw our yatra route. So let's go to our yatra. Let's go and with our family, with our friends, with our kids also to yatra. Virtually, of course, क्योंकि हम लोग online हैं. We are doing this virtually. If we this virtual yatra is just a glimpse, to actually make you feel that how we will actually go, how we will feel the bliss, right? So hopefully with Krishna's mercy, we will be able to go maybe next year, or whenever Radharani's mercy happens, we can go. So let's see our route. So this is our route. Hope you can see on the screen. This is what we discussed yesterday. This all places which we will cover. Yeah, these are all the places which we will be covering. And we started with Shri Shri Krishna Balaram Mandir. This is the ISKCON temple, right? And you can take the darshan here. And we saw the darshan of Srila Prabhupada, who is our founder Acharya. We took the darshan of Sri Sri Gaur Nitai, right? Who are none other than Krishna Balaram himself. We took the darshan of Sri Sri Krishna Balaram, right? So you can please offer your obeisances. These are the actual Vigraha photos there, which are actual Vigraha in standing in ISKCON temple. Very beautiful Vigraha of Sri Sri Radha Shamasundara, right? The Radharani is so beautiful here. There are very good places where Radharani is looking very beautiful. This is one of them. I like this personally, this Vigraha very nice, very much. So this is Radharani and this is Shamasundara. So this is what we saw yesterday, right? Very beautifully dressed. If you go, you can see them for hours, you know. And this is what we saw. So this was day one. And day two, today we'll be starting our yatra. We'll be covering few places. So first of all, we will, after ISKCON temple you have visited, you come out of ISKCON temple and we will start our yatra. And first part which we will see is Krishna Balaram tree, right? There is a tree in Vrindavan. You go, you'll find many trees. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे पेड़ हैं. You know, it's a vana. Vana means forest, right? Forest क्या होता है? Forest is full of trees, right? So in Vrindavan there are many trees and there are many twin trees also. मतलब when you say twin trees, there are two trees who are entangled with each other like this. You know, there are two different trees and they are twisting as if they are embracing each other, right? As if they are एक दूसरे से गले मिलते कैसे हैं, तो as if दो भाई गले मिलके खड़े हैं. Vrindavan Brajvasis say that all these trees are, they call them as a Krishna Balaram tree. So these trees are known that Krishna and Balaram has, when they were small, they were playing on these trees, they were climbing on these trees and they were playing on these trees. So as you go in the Parikrama Marg, this is the Krishna Balaram tree. So you can take the darshan of the Krishna Balaram tree, which is still there. And there are many trees like this. If you see on the right side, there are two trees you can see, right? And this is the Krishna Balaram tree, which is two trees twisted together. But now the second tree has been it's disappeared. Only one tree is there, which is the Krishna Balaram tree at place you go. So there's only one tree now, but many other places also you can see twisted trees like this, right? Even in Nidhi Kunj and Seva Kunj you go, there are twisted trees like this. Each trees are entangled in one another, right? Twisted trees hote hain. So this is the Krishna Balaram tree, and this is the first spot where people stop and take darshan of this Krishna Balaram tree. And local people, jo Vrindavan Brajvasis hain, they do their all other prayers also around this trees. So this is a very sacred tree which we should see in Vrindavan, the first Parikrama Marg. So as I told you, Pradakshina jab hum karte hain, so whole Vrindavan Dham Pradakshina we do, right? And the Dham is on the right side because it is called Pradakshina, right? Dakshina means right. So you have to be in the right side, Dham should be there. So whole Parikrama you do like this. And the first spot is Krishna Balaram tree, where you pay your obeisances, right? Hope you have all taken the darshan of the tree. This is the same tree where Krishna and Balaram played very nicely, right? Among with other gopas and gopis. तो ये वही पेड़ है जहाँ पे भगवान खेले थे. अभी हम आगे चलते हैं, right? So the next spot is Varaha Ghat, right? The next spot is Varaha Ghat. Varaha naam suna hai sabne, right? Varaha is the Varaha avatar of the Vishnu, right? We know that Varaha avatar, the boar incarnation, in which the Lord took the incarnation of a boar, right? Boar means, you can say in a common language, a pig, right? जो pig रहता है, that Bhagwan has taken, Lord Vishnu, Lord Krishna has taken the avatar of boar, right? And with that avatar, what he did, he went into the Garbhodakashayi ocean and picked up the Mother Earth and killed Hiranyaksha, right? So this pastime comes in Srimad Bhagavatam, that Lord Krishna took the avatar of boar when Hiranyakashipu has, Hiranyakashipu was Hiranyaksha was powerful, not Hiranyakashipu, Hiranyaksha. Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu are brothers. So what is the meaning of word Hiranyaksha, right? Hiran means gold, Aksha means eyes. The one person whose eyes are always on gold, right? In this group, who likes to buy gold? Everybody hands will be up, right? जिसको सोना पसंद है, सोना मतलब सोना और सोना, है ना। सोना का अर्थ दो होता है, एक तो सोना स्लीपिंग एंड सोना मीन्स द गोल्ड, राइट। लेकिन हम लोगों को दोनों पसंद है, हमको सोना भी पसंद है और सोना भी पसंद है, right? So we like both. But then Hiranyaksha means जिसको who can go to extremes to who is mad after gold, who is mad after wealth, who is just you can do kruk sam dam then the bait is just acquiring wealth and acquiring gold. So that is Hiranyaksh, right? So we also have those qualities. So that Hiranyaksh was killed by Varahadev, right? And this Vara has a lot of tusks, right? Pig has the tusk, right? So that Vara, there was a fighting between Hiranyaksha and Varaha, Lord Varaha, and Lord Varaha killed this boar, killed this Hiranyaksha, and placed the Mother Earth. Mother Earth was dropped, sinking in the Garbhodakshai ocean. So Lord Varaha went, and because pigs are very nicely, they can locate the objects with their nose, right? Their nose is very powerful. इसलिए Lord took the avatar of boar. He went into the ocean and picked the Mother Earth with his tusks and placed it on the right position, right? So this is what Lord Varaha did, right? And at this place in Varaha Ghat in Vrindavan, so you can see the very nice pictures of Varaha Ghat on your screens, right? So this is a very beautiful ghat you see on the left side, and this is an overview, this is an aerial view of that Varaha Ghat, and you can see all the lightings there, right? So they are in Kartik Mas, they all decorate the Varaha Ghat with various lightings. So there are multiple ghats in Vrindavan with all their importance. So people do their achman there, people take baths there. So normally devotees, when we go to all these places, we are not supposed to take bath. At few places we take bath, but normally we take achman, right? जब आप आचमन करते हो तो कैसे करते हो? Just you take some water, little water, and place it in your mouth, and you sprinkle on your hands and on your face and on your head. So that is the आचमन, right? So अभी आप सब लोग यहीं से virtually you can take the आचमन of this Varaha Ghat, right, with your mind. See, हम लोगों को मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, right? So हम लोग एक तो physically जाके कर सकते हैं, and second thing is we can go through the mind to these places and do the आचमन through the mind. So that also will give you the benefits, right? Even if you are doing the achman, if you are taking the darshan through your mind, right? So you can take the achman of this Varaha Ghat. So this is the place where Lord Krishna in Vrindavan, he showed the form of Varaha to the gopis. So भगवान ने गोपियों को इस जगह पे वराह रूप में अपना रूप दिखाया था, वराह अवतार में अपना रूप दिखाया था बेबी कृष्णा ने. So this is the place of Varaha Ghat. And there's a very famous temple also there, which is for Varaha deity, Varaha form if you see. So this is a Varaha deity which you can see there, right? So this deity of Krishna is in the form of Varaha. This is a very old deity. This is a very old deity, and it's a presiding deity of Rajamandal also. So there's a very nice temple near to this Varaha Ghat where people take the darshan of this deity who is in the form of Varaha, right? जो भोर के form में. Can you see a little bit from there? It's in the form of Varaha, right? So this is a deity you can see there. And इससे 2 किलोमीटर थोड़ा सा कुछ 2 किलोमीटर आगे एक और जगह है which is called वराह ग्राम. वराह ग्राम करके भी एक कुछ जगह है इससे 2 किलोमीटर आगे. और यहाँ पे क्या किया था, कृष्णा ने वही भोर का रूप अपने ग्वालबालों को दिखाया था, कावहड़ बॉयज को. वराह घाट पे गोपियों को दिखाया था, और वराह ग्राम में भगवान कृष्ण ने भोर का अवतार अपने ग्वालबाल को दिखाया था, राइट. सो ये वो जगह है. और ऐसा कहते हैं कि आफ्टर किलिंग हिरणाक्ष, जब भगवान ने हिरणाक्ष को मार दिया था और अर्थ को अपनी जगह पे रख दिया था गर्भोदकशय ओशन से निकाल के, तो उसके बाद जो भगवान रेस्ट करने गए थे, कहाँ रेस्ट करने गए थे? वो मथुरा में विश्राम घाट है, वहां पे वो विश्राम घाट पे वो विश्राम करने गए थे. विश्राम घाट का नाम ही विश्राम है, राइट. विश्राम मतलब हम जहाँ आराम करते हैं. So when Lord killed Hiranyaksha and he lifted the Mother Earth, placed it on the position, he went to Vishram Ghat to take a rest, and there he told Adi Varaha Purana to Mother Earth. So that is the place in Vishram Ghat in Mathura where the Adi Varaha Purana was dictated by the Lord himself to Bhumi Devi, to Mother Earth, right. So this is a short summary of Varaha Ghat and Varaha temple, Varaha deity. So I hope you all have taken the darshan of Varaha deity. So सबने आचमन कर लिया है virtually? Everybody has done the आचमन? To get the feel, you can sprinkle some water at your places so that you know that you have taken Achman. Okay, that you can do it. That's up to you. Okay, so now we will move forward. हम थोड़ा आगे जाएंगे और आगे क्या है, ये बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है. इसका नाम है मदन टेर घाट. क्या नाम है? मदन टेर घाट. Right now, can you see on the right side little boy with a bow and arrow? कौन है वो? Who is that boy? Who can tell me?
Cupid.
No boy.
Yeah,
Cupid.
it's a Cupid, right? So that's a Cupid. Cupid कौन होता है? जो कि he
Rati's husband.
instigates,
Rati,
कामिक
Rati
desires
और
in us.
मन्मथ.
कामदेव, right?
मन्मथ.
So अगर हम इसको शास्त्रों के हिसाब से देखें तो he is कामदेव, right? So it happened one day.
रति and
What
मन्मथ.
happened in this Leela? What happened at this place is मदन तेर घाट पे क्या हुआ था? That Cupid, there's a beautiful garden out there, right? There's a बहुत सुंदर garden है वहाँ पे. And this Cupid, this Madan, so Madan is also one name of Kamdev, right? Madan, जिसपे सब लोग मोहित हो जाते हैं. We are हम लोग सब, हमको सबको दूसरा जो लिंग है, दूसरा जो जेंडर है, उसको देख के जो आकर्षण होता है, that is because of Kamdev, right? So we get attracted to the opposite sex because of Kamdev, right? So this Kamdev thought that Kamdev is very beautiful, and he throws the arrows so that we get attracted. So Kamdev once thought, this Cupid once thought that let me go to and attract Krishna. Let me throw my arrows towards Krishna and let me attract him. So he went to this Madan Ter Ghat. He went to this place in Vrindavan where Krishna was there with his Gopas and Gopis, and he was doing his Leela. So Madan Ter pe Madan gaye, or he thought that I will shoot the arrow and Krishna will be falling for attraction for me, right? So what happened? But looking at Krishna's attraction, looking at Krishna's beauty, because Krishna means Krishna ka matlab hai all attractive, right? Krishna matlab all attractive. So Krishna himself was so attractive that Madan himself fall for Krishna. Madan जो था, जो Cupid थे, जो कामदेव थे, वो खुद ही कृष्णा पे मोहित हो गए. Rather than Krishna becoming मोहित on Madan, Madan only become मोहित on Krishna. That is why Krishna का एक और नाम है मदन मोहन, right? मदन मोहन भगवान का नाम कैसे पड़ा? This is the reason that one who attracts Madan, who attracts everyone else, right? So that is the beauty of Krishna, that he attracts even Madan, by which all others people are attracted. So at this place, this Madan Ter Ghat, this Leela happened, that and the Cupid fall unconscious, seeing the beauty of Krishna. So that is how beautiful Krishna is. So this is the place where this happened. So this is called Madan Ter Ghat, right? So we will move forward from here. Hope you are all not tired by walking in Vrindavan, right? Okay. So next place is ISKCON Gaushala or Go Ghat. इसको Go Ghat भी बोलते हैं, and ISKCON Gaushala भी वहाँ पे है, right? So we'll talk of a little bit of this Go Ghat. So as you move from Krishna Balaram tree, Madan Ter Ghat, you reach to Go Ghat. Now, how many of us like cows? Does everyone like cows? Yeah. So these are some picture of ISKCON Gaushala and some of the cows. You can see very beautiful ISKCON Gaushala is there, and very nice cows are there. So it is said the Leela of this place is called Go Ghat. Go मतलब गाय. Go मतलब इंद्रियां भी होता है, और Go मतलब काव भी होता है, Go मतलब गाय भी होता है ना? तो Go Ghat मतलब ऐसा घाट जहाँ पे बहुत सारी cows हैं. So that's why this place ISKCON is having a Gaushala, and there are various number of Gaushala cows are there, whereas ISKCON is taking protection of these cows. See, there are two things. हम लोग कई बार सुनते हैं there are गौ रक्षक, right? We hear too many things about गौ रक्षक. So we should see that there are two things about गौ रक्षक. One is to protect the cows, and one is to take care of the cow, right? So protection cow means what? You are protecting the cow from being slaughtered, right? आज हम देखते हैं that our civilization has gone to so much of extreme that India has become number one in exporting meat. So we are all so much of degraded that cow का slaughter इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है in India, and it has become number one in exporting meat, which is very, very bad situation, because Krishna like cows very much, right? So if you are killing cow, that means Krishna, Krishna will also not like you, because Krishna like cows very much. So one thing is Krishna's cow's protection, that you protect the cow from getting slaughtered. Second thing is taking care of the cow, right? So taking care of the cow, even if cow is not giving milk, right? We get milk from where? Cow, right? So even if cows are not giving milk, still you have to give the protection to the cows, even if she is not giving milk. So that is the cow protection, that you take care of unka chara ka, unka pani ka, what they are eating, what they are cleaning. So about the whole cleaning and eating and living, you take care. And I know many of your devotees in this group who have donated Lakshmi for cow, taking care of the cows for cow, for ISKCON Gaushala and all. So when you go to these places, you can actually feed the cows with your hands, right? हम लोग इसके they are giving some very special kind of laddus. Those who have gone to Vrindavan, they might know. So बहुत अच्छे इतने बड़े बड़े लड्डू देते हैं हमको, and then you can feed to the cows with your own hands, and the cows take the the laddu from you. So it is very nice and very enchanting experience there. So at this place in Goghat, what has happened is when Krishna killed Kaliya snake, right? When Krishna killed Kaliya snake and removed all his poison, what happened? Krishna was saved by Kaliya, right? And then when Krishna was saved, Nanda Maharaj, who is the father of Krishna, he thought that since Krishna is saved, then what I will do, I will donate charity, I will do the charity, because he was very happy because Krishna was saved from the Kaliya. And he came to this place, this Nanda Maharaj came to this place in Goghat, and he donated, he done he donated lots of cows in charity to brahmanas, because this is a Goghat, right? So he came to this place और उन्होंने बहुत सारी गायें जो है वो दान की. गौदान जो है वो उसका भी बहुत बड़ा महत्व है, right? So Nanda Maharaj did all the cows he given in charity to the brahmanas at this place, जिसका नाम है Goghat. And this is the same place where ISKCON Gaushala is also located. Yeah, have you taken the darshan of cow? Right, nice cows. They're very good and very healthy cows there, which are taken care by ISKCON, right? Okay, we'll move forward from here, or you want to feed cows more? Okay, so we'll move forward from here. Okay, so अब हम आते हैं कालिया हृदा पे, right? So next place is Kalia Hrida. Okay, so this is the place of Kalia Hrida, right? Now there is a very, very beautiful pastime here, right? What has happened, we will just go in a few minutes there. So first of all, you see the place. So there are I think 5 photographs which you can see on your screen. Okay, hope all are seeing the screen. Okay, so there are 5 photographs. 5 यहाँ पे तस्वीरें आपको दिख रही हैं. The left में है, that is you can see some snake like this, right? That is the Kalia snake. Okay, and you can see some some images, some murtis around Kalia snake, right? So these are Nagapatnis. These are the wife of Kaliyas, right? These are the wife of Kalia snake. Now this Kalia snake was very, very poisonous snake, very poisonous snake, and he is having like thousands of hoods. जो सांप का हुड रहता है ना, फन, जिससे वो सांप डंक मारता है, like this. So very poisonous snake with a multiple thousands of hood he was having, and बहुत सारी उसकी wives थी, which are called as Nagapatnis, right? And on top of the Kalia snake is, who is on top of Kalia snake head?
Krishna.
Is our Krishna baby. Right? It's a baby Krishna which is on the top of Kalia snake, right? And on the right side you can see one tree, right? And there is a place there which you can see. There is a nice tree also. इस tree का एक विशेषता है, when you go to this place, this tree first of all remains green throughout the year, right? Throughout the year tree remains green, and if you can see the tree, the branches of the trees are completely hollow, right? Branches of the tree are completely hollow. आप उसमें ऐसे हाथ अंदर डाल सकते हैं in the branch. There is one hole. You can put your hand inside the hole in the branch, and you can see that they are hollows. If you can knock from outside, वो आवाज भी करता है. वो पूरा खाली है, लेकिन खाली branches हैं, फिर भी tree इतना green रहता है. Always with the green leaves. So this is the beauty of this tree, right? So we'll discuss now what happened at this place, right? How Kalia snake came and how Krishna went on top of that, and what the Nagapatnis do and what happened, right? So as I said कि कालिया जो था वो बहुत ही poisonous snake है, right? It was a very poisonous snake with multiple hoods, right? So Kalia, this Kalia was residing in the waters of Yamuna, right? Yamuna waters में this Kalia was residing. Now how he came to the waters of Yamuna? See, there's a story behind it also. Like all the kids also hear very carefully, and all the adults also. I think we are all awake, right? Not sleeping. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. तो जो लोग भी सो रहे हैं कृपया उठ जाइए, अभी स्टोरी टाइम है, एक और अच्छी स्टोरी है. सो भगवान कहते हैं कि अगर आप धाम में सोते भी हैं तो भी भगवान उसको समाधि मान लेते हैं, है ना? तो हम अभी धाम में नहीं हैं, हम अपने अपने घरों में हैं, तो अपने अपने घरों में हम जाग सकते हैं, राइट? ओके, बट दिस इज समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, राइट? when we watch TV or when we are eating, nobody sleeps, right? Does anybody eat, does anybody sleeps while eating? खाना खाते खाते किसी को नींद आती है क्या कि खाना खाते खाते सो गए बीच में? ऐसा कभी हुआ है? कोई कभी नहीं होता है, राइट? लेकिन जब कथा चलती है तब बराबर सबको नींद आती है ना? सो दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कथा ऑल्सो, दैट जब अच्छी कथा चलती है तब सबको नींद आती है. क्यों पता है? व्हाई? बिकॉज द कथा इज सो मधुर दैट ऑल योर वरीज आर गॉन, all your tensions are gone, all your stress is gone. So when you are stress free, when you are worry free, then you are carefree and then you sleep nicely, right? So इसीलिए नींद आती है. But then अभी सब लोग जाग जाइए क्योंकि हम अभी एक स्टोरी में जाएंगे. Okay? हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. श्री वृंदावन धाम की जय. Okay. So this Kalia snake. Now there was one Muni called Shaubari Muni, right? This Shaubari Muni was doing tapasya in the waters of Yamuna, right? He was doing the tapasya, and there were lots of fishes and all. So he was very happy with the fishes and all. So the snake normally eats all the fishes, right? So he gave the Garuda. The Garuda is there, right? So Garuda eats all the fishes, right? So to protect all the fishes, Garuda is the Vahan of Vishnu, right? Garuda, right? Garuda is the food of Garuda is fish. So this Shaubari Muni, to protect all the fishes, what he did, he gave the curse to Garuda that Garuda cannot come in the Yamuna water. In Vrindavan Dham, Garuda cannot come because once he comes there, he will eat all the fishes. To protect the fishes, the Shaubari Muni, who was a very tapasvi yogi, he was doing tapasya, very stringent tapasya. बहुत तपस्या अच्छी करते थे Shaubari Muni. तो Shaubari Muni ने मछलियों को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए गरुड़ को श्राप दे दिया कि आप वृंदावन नहीं आ सकते हो. So Garud cannot come to Vrindavan, right? Now Garud and the Garud bird, right, and the snake, they are also enemies, right? The snake is the food of Garud also. The Garud bird eagle will eat the snake also, correct? So now this Kalia fellow, he came to know that Garud cannot come in Yamuna water. He cannot enter Vrindavan because of Shaubari Muni's shrap, right? So this Kalia thought, this Kalia, he was having multiple hoods with all poisons and all. So he thought के मैं क्यों ना वृंदावन चलता हूँ, मैं यमुना में जाता हूँ, तो मेरे को गरुड़ कुछ नहीं कर सकता because he cannot come in Vrindavan. So that will be very safe for me. I can live happily there with my all different wives. So this Kalia snake has multiple wives. So वो पूरा अपना बीवी बच्चों के साथ, he just packed his bags and he went to Yamuna, right? He said, let's go there. We will have a high fun time there. No Garuda will come and I will be safe, right? So he went there and he went into Yamuna, right? Now this snake was so poisonous, so deadly poison, so lethal poison that इतना पानी उसने यमुना का पानी पूरा उसने poisonous कर दिया था. Now these cows were coming to drink water there. They were all affected by that Kalia snake. ऐसा बताया जाता है कि birds जब ऊपर से चलते थे तो they were all falling in the water because of the poison flames of this Kalia snake. तो इतना वो poison था that because उसकी जो fumes उड़ती poison की, उससे भी birds पूरे मरने लगते थे. So this was poison of Kalia snake, right? And he was residing in Vrindavan and Garuda cannot come. So now if cows are hampered, Brajvasi सारे problem में आ गए थे because water was getting poisonous. So to save all those, to save cows and to save all the gopis and the gopas, because Krishna is what? Krishna is Bhakta Vatsalya, right? So Krishna is always taking care of his devotees, right? If you are worshipping Krishna, Krishna will definitely take care of you. So Krishna ने सोचा कि ये कालिया का कुछ करना पड़ेगा, right? ये कालिया का मुझे कुछ करना पड़ेगा. And then what he did, he was playing with all his friends and all, right? With all his gopas and gopis, and they were all playing. The small boy, small little Krishna, he was playing, and then he then climbed on this tree. ये जो आप ट्री देख रहे हो ना, जो मैंने बताया that this is hollow tree and it's always green. So this is the same tree. He climbed on this tree, and ऐसा बताया जाता है कि this Yamuna, now in this photo you cannot see Yamuna, but the Yamuna was just flowing across, just flowing near to this tree. अभी तो यमुना बहुत अंदर चली गई है because of Kali Yuga and other prabhavas. Yamuna has been like थोड़ी पीछे चली गई है, but during that time Yamuna was just flowing near to this place. So Krishna climbed on this tree and he jumped into the water of Yamuna because वहाँ पे कालिया है, right? So he thought that let me go and kill this Kaliya snake. So he went inside the water of Yamuna, and then he found okay, yeah, there's one question, I'll take that later, right? So now, right now just enjoy the Leela, right? Okay. So that was the shrap given by Shaubri Muni. So the question was why Garuda cannot enter Vrindavan since he's a Vahan of Vishnu. But as I said, that was the shrap given by Shaubri Muni that he will harm the fishes. So to protect the fishes, Shaubri Muni did this curse to Garuda so that he cannot enter Vrindavan, right? Okay. So then this Krishna jumped into the water of Yamuna from this tree. वो tree पे चढ़ गए Krishna, and then from there he jumped into the water. Those who have lived in the village, they can very well know what I am talking, right? You climb on the tree and jump directly into the river, right? I have never done this, but I know people do it, right? So Vishnu Prabhu is smiling. I'm sure he must have done it. Okay, so this Krishna jumped into the water of Yamuna. उन्होंने jump कर लिया, and then finally he found के कालिया snake कहाँ पे है, and then जाके उसके पूंछ पे दे मारा भगवान ने पाँव. Kalia was sleeping very nicely inside water. He hit the Kalia snake with his feet on his tail, and then there was a great war between little Krishna and Kalia, right? With the thousands of hoods. आप सोचो, a snake which is having thousands of hoods like this, a very poisonous snake, and our baby Krishna is very small Krishna, right? He was a little boy, right? He went inside and he started fighting with Kalia snake, and then बहुत सारा देर तक उनका युद्ध चला, and then at one point of time it happened that Kalia snake completely उसको पूरा जकड़ लिया अपने उसमें, because Kalia snake is like this, right? A poisonous snake normally पूरा जकड़ लेते हैं body को, and then he eats like this, right? So this is like Krishna, and he is coiling around Krishna, right? So Kalia snake ने पूरा coil कर लिया, and he brought Krishna up in the outside the water, right? So everybody was seeing that Krishna and Kalia snakes, Kalia is fighting. तो सारे गोपा वहाँ पे आ गए, and then गोपा वहाँ पे जो खेल रहे थे भगवान के साथ में, they were all seeing, and one of the गोपा went to call other Vrajvasis, right? And thus वहाँ पे crowd था, थोड़े से गोपा थे जो लोग भगवान के साथ खेल रहे थे. So they saw that Kalia is coiling the Krishna around. Now Krishna will die completely, right? Krishna को क्या होगा अभी? Now Kalia has पूरा circle कर लिया, उसको खा जाएंगे भगवान को. And then Krishna was watching how many people have come here. So Krishna was seeing, अच्छा ज्यादा लोग नहीं है, 10-15 लोग ही हैं. So he said, no, now it's time still. Let Kalia do whatever he wants. So Kalia और कर रहा है. So Krishna is not doing anything, right? So Kalia is again coiling, again uncoiling, and again they're fighting. And Kalia seems to be overpowering now. Kalia seems to be, winning the war. So Krishna is seeing how many people have come, not more. So again, let it be. So he was still fighting. And then at one point of time, Krishna saw, abhi sara Vrajvasi aa gaya. All of people have come, right? All gopis have come, all gopas have come, all the adults are also there, all cows are also there. So everybody is like, oh Krishna, what will happen to Krishna? Kalia will kill the Krishna. Everybody was worrying for Krishna. So Krishna saw that pura theater abhi jam pack ho gaya hai. All the Vrajvasis are here. Now I will start my Leela. Because Krishna is our hero, right? So hero dekhta hai that सारा audience आ गया, because he likes audience, right? Krishna likes audience. When the theater is full of audience, सारा जो लोग है, पूरा जो मंच है वो लोगों से भर गया है, तब कृष्णा अपनी लीला शुरू करेंगे. ये एक दो को दिखा के मजा नहीं आता है कृष्णा को. This is our Krishna, right? So when whole the audience were jam packed, then he started. What happened? Suddenly he, from the coils of Kalia, he jumped over top of his hood, right? As you are seeing in this photograph. So उसके सर पे जाके बैठ गए, And what he started dancing on the hoods of snake. You know, hoods of the snake are like this, multiple hoods. And he started dancing, kabhi ek pav udhar, kabhi ek pav udhar, kabhi ek pav udhar. Aise he started dancing, like here he's going here, he's going there with his murli. He's starting dancing like a perfect dancer, right? Like Nataraj, he started dancing on the hoods of Kalia. And Kalia को जो इतना poisonous snake था, जब भगवान के छोटे छोटे पांव थे, भगवान के छोटे छोटे पांव थे, right? Some small boy, how many legs, small legs he will have. So जो normally किसी ने अगर snake को touch किया है, they will know how slippery the snake is, right? They're very slippery. And उसके ऊपर नाचना is very difficult, right, for a small boy. And Krishna was perfectly dancing on the hoods of Kalia. So many hoods were there. And कालिया को लग रहा था जैसे जैसे एक एक पांव कालिया का भगवान का सर पे पड़ रहा था, तो कालिया को लग रहा था इट इज लाइक इंद्र का वज्र है, इंद्र का थंडरबोल्ट है, राइट? दिस वाज द कालियाज एक्सपीरियंस, दैट ही इज एक्सपीरियंसिंग अ थंडरबोल्ट ऑन हिज हेड. छोटे छोटे भगवान के पांव पड़ रहे हैं, लेकिन उसको लग रहा है कोई वज्र का प्रहार हो रहा है मेरे ऊपर. जहां पे पांव रखते भगवान, वहां से उसका खून बाहर आता. पहले पॉइजन बाहर आ रहा था. फर्स्ट ही वाज वॉमिटिंग पॉइजन एंड देन लेटर ही स्टार्टेड वॉमिटिंग ब्लड. With each hood, कृष्ण जंप यहाँ पे करेंगे, वहां से पॉइजन आ रहा है, वहां पे करेंगे, वहां से ब्लड आ रहा है. So all guys, all you can imagine the scene, right? All thousands of hoods, Krishna dancing, and there's Kalia emitting poison, emitting venom, emitting blood at the same time. And then finally Kalia was, he felt very सारे उसके जो hoods थे वो सब शांत हो गए, सारे उसके जो hoods थे वो सब नीचे हो गए, and he felt very helpless. He was about to die. कालिया के सर पे भगवान ने इतना डांस कर लिया that he was about to die and give away his life, right? वो पूरा मरने वाला था कालिया. And then what happened? This नागपत्नीज came, right? जो आप देख रहे हो ना वहां पे साथ में जो वहां पे जो फोटो में है, जो कालिया स्नेक के जो सराउंडिंग है, these are नागपत्नीज. So these नागपत्नीज, भगवान के पास नागपत्नी आते हैं and भगवान से वो प्रार्थना करते हैं नागपत्नी कि भाई ये हमें माफ कर दो, ये आपके इसको जानता नहीं, आपके प्रभाव को जानता नहीं है, प्लीज आप इसे क्षमा कर दो. ये कालिया स्नेक अगर ये मर जाएगा तो हम किसके संरक्षण में रहेंगे? These wives, Kalia's wife, Nagapatnis, are pleading to Krishna that please leave our husband alive, don't kill him, right? Don't kill him, otherwise where we will go, how we will survive. So please don't kill him. You are the protector of everyone, so please we are praying to you. So नागपत्नियों की जो पुकार है, जो प्रेयर्स है, वो भगवान ने सुनी, right? And then he thought that I will not kill Kalia, but then he told to Kalia, देखो तुम्हारा अभी तुम यहाँ से जाने का टाइम आ गया है. You have to go away from this Yamuna waters and you have to clean this water so that the Vrajvasis, the cows and the gopis and the gopas and the birds can easily drink the water of Yamuna, and you have to go from here, right? So this Kalia snake told that now I will go, but आपने मेरा सारा हुड जो है, सारा पॉइजन तो मेरा निकाल दिया है. पॉइजन क्या, मेरा ब्लड भी निकाल दिया है. So how I will protect myself, because snake का what is the protection for the snake? The poison, right? So all his poison is already gone, so how he will protect himself? So Kalia said that how I will protect myself, if I go outside, Garuda will come, because Shaubari Muni की वजह से Garuda cannot come to Vrindavan, but he can come anywhere else and he can kill me. So how I will survive? So Krishna said, no problem, I have a plan for that also. You have taken my shelter, so no issues. जब गरुड़ जी तुम्हारे सर पर मेरे पद चिन्हों के निशान देखेंगे, when Garuda will see my foot symbols, my foot mask on your head, he will understand that these are my foot mask and he will not kill you, right? जो भगवान के जो मार्क है, भगवान के जो पद चिन्ह है, if Garuda will see that, he will not kill you, so you will be protected. Garuda will not will harm you. So you go from here and you take all your patnis also and you go away. So Kalia this way he left, and the Yamuna waters were cleaned, and and all the Vrajavasis were saved. So now you see Shaubari Muni. Now there's a comparison between Krishna and Shaubari Muni, right? So marma of this, Shaubari Muni was a perfect yogi, right? And he wanted to protect the fishes. So he cursed Garuda not to come to Vrindavan for protection of the fishes, right? So one can say कि शौबरी मुनि ने भी तो मछलियों का उनकी रक्षा के लिए ये कदम उठाया था, है ना? एंड भगवान भी रक्षा करते हैं, लेकिन शौबरी मुनि ने क्या किया? शौबरी मुनि के शाप के कारण गरुड़ा कैनॉट कम, राइट? गरुड़ा कैनॉट कम टू वृंदावन. सो हु केम टू वृंदावन? कालिया स्नेक केम टू वृंदावन, राइट? And Kalia snake anyway ate all the fishes. So were the fishes really protected? No, right? So Shaubari Muni cannot protect the fishes. Though he wanted to protect, lekin he could not protect the fishes. But then on the other side, Krishna, you see Krishna, एक ही काम से how many leelas he did. He कालिया को भी उन्होंने खत्म कर दिया. He saved the Vrajvasis also from the Kaliya snake, right? He saved all the fishes also because Kaliya snake was out, so fishes were anyway saved. Fishes were protected. He protected Vrajvasis also, and he protected Kaliya also by putting the marks on the hoods, so that everybody was protected and nobody was harmed, right? So that is Krishna's plan. So whenever Krishna does any activity, it is for all good. It is the master plan. जो भी भगवान करते हैं वो master plan होता है ना? So when Lord is doing something, अगर हमारी life में कुछ लग रहा है हमको कि the things are not moving in the right direction, but that is the plan of the Lord. If you are a devotee of a Lord, if you are under His shelter, definitely He will protect you and He has a master plan for you. अभी हम लोग वो नहीं देख पाते हैं, लेकिन भगवान का कुछ प्लान होता है हमारे लिए, which is for all good, right? Because Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita that नमे द्वेषस्ति न प्रिय ये भजन्ति तु माम भक्त्या मयि ते देषु चापि अहम, right? So भगवान किसी के भी भगवान न्यूट्रल है and he is not favoring to anyone, right? So this is the pastime of Kaliya. And next is just 1 minute. Next is Dwadash Aditya Tila. You can see this Tila. And ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जब भगवान ने कालिया स्नेक को मारा था पानी में, so he was feeling all the cold and his body was completely, जैसे पानी में रहने से body कैसा हो जाता है, बहुत देर तक पानी में रहता है तो it is feeling of cold. So Krishna went to this Tila, went to this hilltop, and he was there for drying. So it is said Dwadashya Aditya Tila. Dwadash matlab 12. Aditya means sun. So it is said that to dry up Krishna, 12 suns came in the sky at the same time. हमने एक सूर्य देखा है, right? We have seen only one sun, but Dwadashya Aditya means 12 sun. So 12 sun at the same time came in the sky to give the heat to the Krishna so that Krishna can recover from the water. So this is a Dwadashya Aditya Tila, right? So this is where we will end today's yatra.
Give a mental circumambulation. एक सब लोग मन में परिक्रमा करें. आप कालिया हृदय का दर्शन किया, आपने द्वादश आदित्य टीला का दर्शन किया. आधा सेकंड है, 2-3 सेकंड है, रुको, थोड़ा मन में स्मरण करो और उसकी परिक्रमा करो. और अभी जब दिया दिखाएंगे तो आप ये दोनों को मन में रखो आज.
Yeah, so what Sulakshana said is you have to do mental परिक्रमा of द्वादश आदित्य टीला and काली हृदय. जब हम जाते हैं वहां पे तो काली हृदय का हम परिक्रमा करते हैं. हम यहाँ पे तो अभी कर नहीं पा रहे हैं, बट आप मेंटली काली हृदय का परिक्रमा करो कि यहाँ पे भगवान ने कालिया स्नेक का वध किया था, कालिया स्नेक को भगाया था, एंड द्वादश आदित्य टीला पे भगवान ने ट्राई किया था खुद को. सो यू कैन टेक द मेंटल प्रदक्षिणा एंड देन so we went to we saw Krishna Balaram tree, we went to Go Ghat, and we went to Kaliya Hriday, and we went to Dwadash Aditya Tila. So this was the end of today's yatra. Now we will do a Damodar Ashtakam, and you all can take out your lamps and start offering the ghee lamps to the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Hare Krishna, everyone. Today's host is Prakash and Jyoti Sadani. Mataji and Prabhuji, they are Baliyagna Prabhu's parents. So I will spotlight them. We have, wait a minute, cannot find them. Okay, Baliyagna Prabhu is spotlighting them. So we welcome, they are the biggest blessing for Baliyagna Prabhu. They have a wonderful child, Baliyagna Prabhu. You see, Padma Sadani, she is my sister-in-law, elder sister-in-law, and their daughter Ashna Sadani. So we welcome all you, Prabhujis and Matajis, and we are waiting to take darshan of your altar. Can you show your altar and you can offer the diya there? I will be doing Damodar Ashtakam. मैं Damodar Ashtakam पढ़ रही हूँ, आप लोग अपना दिया ऑफर कर सकते हैं. आप लोग स्पॉटलाइट पे हैं.
हरे कृष्णा.
हरि बोल. श्री दामोदर अष्टकम की जय. नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानंद रूपम लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले व्रजमानम् यशोदाभियोलुकलादवमानम् परामृष्टमत्यन्ततो धृतगोप्या रुदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रं युगं मृजन्तम् कराम्बोजयुग्मेन सतङ्कनेत्रम् मुश्वासकम्पात्रिरेखङ्ककण्ठा चित्रग्रैव दामोदरं भक्तिपदम् इति दृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषं निमज्जन्तम् अख्यापयन्तम् तदीयेषितग्नेषु भक्तिचित्तत्वम् पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्तिवन्दे वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षं वदिं वा न चायं वृणेऽहं वरिषदपीह इदं तेव पूर्णार्थ गोपालबालम् सदा मे मनस्याविरसं किमन्ये इदं ते मुकाम्बोजम् अत्यन्तनिलय वृतं कुन्तलैः स्निग्धरसस्य गोप्या मुहुर्चुम्बितं बिम्बरसाधरं मे मनस्याविरसमलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमो देव दामोदर अनंत विष्णु प्रसीद प्रभो दुःख जलाब्धिमग्नम् कृपा दृष्टि वृष्ट्यादिदिनं बतानु ग्रहणेश मामजमिति यक्षदृश्या कुबेरात्मजो बद्ध मृतैव यद्वत् त्वयामोचितो भक्ति भजौ कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रयच्छ नमो क्षेत्रो मेऽस्ति दामोदरेहा नमस्ते सुधाम्ने श्रुहद्वितीराम्ने त्वदीयोदरायाथ विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्दलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय राधा दामोदर राधे जय यशोदा दामोदर राधे जय राधे जय जय श्री राधे जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय गुरुदेव जय जय गुरुदेव हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल श्री श्री दामोदर अष्टकम की जय। हरि बोल।
जय।
मम्मी पापा आशा हरि बोल। हाँ, हरे कृष्णा। पापा आप कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं, आप अनम्यूट करके बोल सकते हैं।
बलि यज्ञ भरत ने पूरा वृंदावन की यात्रा करवाई, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के। यात्रा वृंदावन धाम की यात्रा करवाई, देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा। यादें ताजा हो गई कि हम लोग भी वृंदावन गए थे कभी। अभी ये यहाँ पर सब देख के बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। हरे कृष्णा, हरि बोल।
हरी बोल। थैंक यू मम्मी।
थैंक
हरे
यू
कृष्णा।
बंटी।
नंद कुमार चंद्रा जी, आपको कुछ शेयर करना है? लास्ट कल हम आपको ढूंढ रहे थे।
नाम की यात्रा करवाई।
हाँ बोल जाओ।
को मौका दिया।
हरे कृष्णा, दंडवत प्रणाम टू एवरीवन, ऑल डिवोटीज। सॉरी, मेरा कल डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था तो नहीं बात कर पाया मैं। प्रभु जी, ये जो आप जो क्लास दे रहे हैं, वृंदावन यात्रा को वर्चुअल करा रहे हैं, वो बहुत वंडरफुल है। और मैं तो मतलब कल भी बहुत स्टार्टिंग से देखा और आज भी देखा मैंने पूरा। तो जैसे माता जी ने कहा, यादें ताजा हो गई हैं, क्योंकि जब भी हम वृंदावन का याद करते हैं तो मन में पूरा उत्साह भर जाता है। और अभी ये कोरोना के वजह से हम सब चीज मिस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपकी मतलब ये लगन है, निष्ठा है और आपकी करुणा है जो हम लोग के ऊपर, मतलब हम डिवोटी के ऊपर आप कर रहे हैं। तो कोई मतलब वर्ड नहीं है कि इसको कैसे हम आपको धन्यवाद करें। और आप इतना डेडिकेटेड टाइम दे पा रहे हैं ये सब होते हुए भी। और अब ईश्वर से, भगवान कृष्णा से प्रार्थना करते हैं कि ऐसे ही आप सबको भगवान की कृपा देते रहें और वृंदावन का धाम यात्रा कराते रहें। बहुत ही वंडरफुल और बहुत ही पास टाइम कृष्णा का आगे वृंदावन में आने वाला है। तो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि जितने भी डिवोटी कनेक्टेड हैं वो कृपया हर रोज देखें और ऐसे उत्साह बनाए रखें। और भरत प्रभु जी, बलि यज्ञ प्रभु जी को भी ऐसे उत्साह देते रहें और उनका जो कृपा है, उनका जो प्रयास है, उसकी सराहना करते रहें। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा। थैंक यू प्रभु जी। प्रभु जी का नाम नित्य मंगल रूपदास प्रभु है। तो नित्य मंगल रूपदास प्रभु बहुत ही सरल प्रभु हैं, जैसे आपने उनकी वाणी से समझ ही लिया होगा। बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत ही मधुर उनका वाणी है। तो ये हमेशा हमारे साथ वृंदावन यात्रा जब भी हम जाते हैं तभी हमारे साथ रहते हैं। तो प्रभु जी is always with us in Vrindavan Yatra. So we are now meeting virtually, but now normally we meet in Vrindavan during this time. So Prabhuji is always coming with us. He is a very simple devotee and a very nice, wonderful devotee. He is progressing very nicely in bhakti and serving Guru Maharaj very nicely. इनका नाम है नित्य मंगल रूपदास। तो मैं इनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ कि प्रभु जी ने टाइम निकाल कर हमारे यात्रा ज्वाइन किया और आप सबको encouragement दिया। हरे कृष्णा। थैंक यू प्रभु।
थैंक यू प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्णा।
Okay, so time is up for our yatra. So let's tune in tomorrow at the same time, 7:30 UAE time, 9 PM India time. So कल हम कुछ और नई जगहों पे जाएंगे और बहुत आगे बढ़ेंगे। हमारी यात्रा अभी द्वादश आदित्य टीला पे है। हम आगे बहुत ही सुंदर सुंदर स्थान देखने वाले हैं। So कृपया बने रहिए। Please all stay tuned every night, 7:30 to 8:30 UAE time and 9 PM India time. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री वृंदावन धाम की जय।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्णा।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
थैंक यू। हरे कृष्ण मनोज्ञा।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। थैंक यू सो मच प्रभु जी।
थैंक यू। हरे
हरे
कृष्णा।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्णा एवरीवन। थैंक यू।
कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
थैंक यू। हरे कृष्णा।